Hello everyone, and welcome to our universe. Today we'll be talking about the gravity on other planets. So gravity is a very fundamental force in physics, and it's one that we take for granted on the planet Earth. But it's something that we just generally don't think about. We think that gravity is pretty much constant everywhere in the universe. Having only lived on one planet, humans are pretty much used to the Earth's environment. Gravity is measured in Gs, so therefore it's quite easy to categorize Earth as just a steady 1g, or you can call it 9.8 meters per second squared. However, if you would go into space, or set foot on the moon, the gravity would be very different, and something that Earthlings would not be used to. So putting it in layman's terms, gravity is dependent on mass. From stars, planets, galaxies, and even subatomic particles, gravity seems to rely on just one thing. The mass, though, can be categorized in three different ways: its size, mass, and density. And this is what gives the object gravity. When it comes to the planets in our solar system, there is various size, density, and masses, and therefore the strength of the gravity on the surfaces can vary dramatically. So let's start off with the Earth's gravity. As noted before, it was 9.8 meters per second squared. This means that if you held an object and let go of it, it would accelerate towards the surface at a speed of 9.8 meters every second from the freefall. This is a standard measurement to know the gravitational pull of a planet, and we express this in what's known as a single G. Isaac Newton's universal gravitational law states that two bodies can be expressed mathematically as a formula of a force, where F is the force, m1 and m2 are the masses of the objects interacting, and r is the distance between the centers of the object. There is also a gravitational constant. So now that we know how to mathematically figure it out, and use experimentation to prove this, let's see exactly how the gravity compares to the other planets in the solar system. So let's start off with Mercury. It has a mean radius of 2,440 kilometers, and has a mass of 3.3 times 10 to the 23 kilograms. Mercury is only around about a third of the size of Earth,